EG formula makes epoxy grouting easy. This is a EG formula presentation. Okay, we have these 3 Corey tiles. I chose this tile because it's one of the most common for epoxy grout. So I figured let's test EG formula on it. Okay, we have the epoxy. We're going to mix the A with the B. In the EG formula instructions, it tells you drop EG formula mix over the surface of your tile after spreading epoxy, covering most of the area, and this is because it's supposed to help you lift epoxy grout from the surface of the tile. And that's what this demonstration is all about. Now I'm going to apply a thin coat of epoxy grout over the surface of these Corey tiles, and we're expecting great results. Okay, so our epoxy grout is ready. So now we grab the formula, and we're supposed to shake the bottle well and mix all these good components that make all this magic happen before using EG formula. Now let's keep in mind, EG formula is a concentrated product, and so we're testing the full strength over the surface of these tiles by applying drops over this epoxy grout film to see if in fact it really helps lift epoxy from the surface of the tile. We fast forward 10 minutes into the video. The drops are still in place. Now let's go to the last phase of this test. We grab the water. Carefully drop water over these drops. Wow. EG formula truly deactivated epoxy grout from the surface of the tile. This makes your epoxy grout much easier to clean up. EG formula is a game changer for epoxy grout. The formula also prevents epoxy grout from sticking to your sponge as easy, giving your sponge a longer lifetime when cleaning. So now you won't have to go through so many sponges or scrub pads. EG formula also helps preventing stains, haze, shine. You get all this in one bottle. The formula truly works. It's meant to make your epoxy grout jobs much easier. There's no other product that cleans epoxy grout like EG formula. Let's see what these test samples look like 24 hours later. And if you pay close attention to where the formula was, there's almost no shine in these spots. EG formula deactivated that epoxy. To get the formula, visit www.egformula.com. Sign up for a free account and receive sales on our products, or subscribe to our newsletters and hear the latest about our products. EG Formula has a new product coming soon, and we'll also be making more videos about EG Formula itself to hit every aspect of it. For example, on the sponges, the scrub pads, the timing. EG Formula makes a difference when you epoxy grout. Please subscribe.